the body is equipped to detox itself. There are systems, built-in systems to detox the body already. So what we need to do when we talk about detoxing is about restoring the self-cleansing system of the body. The body has 5 drainage pathways. The problem with how detox is presented to us nowadays is because we fragmented the whole thing. And it's probably due to the marketing things. You have one thing to sell, you just put everything on that thing. But in reality, the body has 5 means to eliminate the toxins that are in circulation into the system through the bloodstream, to the fluids and intestines, everywhere. So there are 5 drainage pathways that we need to restore first. Okay, so in order to give the body its power, its self-cleansing power back, we need to restore, because most of the time nowadays these pathways get clogged. So it's not all about the gut. The gut is in fact very important. It's one of the entry points. But the liver is one, the lymphatic system is one, the respiratory system is another one that is in touch with the external, and the kidneys. So these are the 5 drainage pathways that we need to restore, to cleanse, in order to give the body its self-cleansing power back. So don't take care of only one. Consider over time, because detox is something that you want to integrate into your life, not to do something once or twice a year. But now with Zen Cleanse, the way we thought it's available into a very simple manner, very convenient. So we thought it all for you.